What does the Snapchat Hourglass mean? So if you're confused and wonders or curious to know what does the Snapchat Hourglass mean, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I'm in the chat section of Snapchat, from where you will be able to see all of your chats with your friends. So right now at the left hand side you can see there's an hourglass in each of the person, and right at the right hand side there's a restore option. So basically the hourglass determines the time. Sometimes there may be the fire icon along with the hourglass, but that denotes your Snapchat streak within a certain time. For example, if you have got a 13 fires along with the hourglass, and then that indicates that you have sent snaps to each other during 24 hours back and forth until 13 consecutive days. And if you're unable to send snap to someone within 24 hours, then the hourglass will appear, which simply denotes that your Snapchat streak is about to end. So simply you can note that when your Snapchat streak is about to end, that option will be available. Right now is a new update. There will maybe also the option for restore. So you just can tap over the restore over here and you can restore your streak. And it said that you lost your most recent streak, but either of you can restore it for the next 17 hours. Otherwise you'll have to snap each other every day to start a new streak. You have 6 free restores left this month, so you have 6 free restored for this month, and within 17 hours you will be able to restore it. So you just can tap over the restore over here and the streak will be restored. You can see easily this is the new feature or the update of Snapchat. And right after restoring you can see the hourglass also has been removed. Now you can follow the same thing over here also, and by doing that the hourglass also will be removed, and that's the thing. So I hope this video was helpful. If you still have some queries, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.